Hi kids, today is a special day because I'm taking my best friend Dino to the airport. He's flying to Paris for an exciting vacation. I wish him a safe trip and a wonderful adventure.
Dino arrived in Paris just as the sun was rising, and a fluffy white cloud drifted across the bright blue sky. As he walked through the airport, his suitcase rolled ahead on its own, making Dino giggle. During the taxi ride, Dino practiced saying bonjour and made a cheerful new friend along the way. At the hotel, Dino opened the curtains. A giant pigeon was in the way, but the Eiffel Tower stood right behind it. Standing beneath the Eiffel Tower, Dino leaned farther and farther back to see the very top, but it made him so dizzy he almost toppled over. On the elevator ride up, Dino's map suddenly unfolded and turned sightseeing into a funny little challenge. As he snapped a photo from the top, a curious bird appeared at just the right moment to join the picture. While walking beside the Seine River, Dino waved at a passing boat and was delighted when everyone waved back. At a cozy Paris cafe, Dino enjoyed a tasty croissant and ended up covered in flaky crumbs. Dino tried posing for the perfect travel photo, but a playful breeze had other ideas.
Paris is so wonderful, bright and full of cheer. The Eiffel Tower shines so tall, my favorite place is here. I'm singing, smiling, having fun. Paris is the best, hooray!
Outside the museum, Dino copied a statue so well that someone thought he was part of the museum. Inside the gallery, Dino noticed a painting that seemed to be making the exact same face as him. As he walked to the next one, a painting of a lady in red opened her eyes and gave him a warm smile. After a while, Dino felt a little tired, so he decided to take a nap in the garden. Relaxing by a fountain, Dino sat so still that a tiny bird mistook him for a garden statue. On a river cruise, Dino pointed excitedly at every landmark until everyone else started doing the same. As the Eiffel Tower sparkled in the evening sky, Dino tried counting the lights but kept losing track. For his final Paris photo, Dino smiled at the camera. At the airport, Dino packed up his favorite souvenirs and smiled as he remembered all the fun he had in Paris. And with wonderful memories, funny surprises and new friends, Dino waved goodbye to Paris and headed home.
Bye-bye, Paris.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed Dino's amazing trip to Paris. Joy Troops, you're the best. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. We'll see you in our next exciting adventure. Bye-bye.